This video will teach you how to install our mud-in channel. To get started, you'll need the following items: pencil, screws, drill, large Phillips screwdriver, level, square, tape measure, painter's tape, drywall knife, drywall tape, drywall mud, handsaw, sandpaper. Before doing any drywall work, install the ribbon into the channel and slide the end cap with a hole onto the lead wire and connect the ribbon to the power, then snap the end caps in place. Prep the wall for channel by measuring the channel width, excluding the wings. Mark the wall with that measurement and channel length to exactly what you plan to cut, using a pencil, and use a level or square as your straight edge. Cut on your pencil lines using a drywall knife. We suggest using your straight edge to guide the cuts as you work your way around. Clear the area of any debris, then wire and slide the channel into the hole you created. The wings of the channel should be resting on the drywall, and the ribbon lead should be in the wall. Optional. For extra security, you can use the holes in the wings to screw or drill the channel to the wall. Then, protect the ribbon and interior of the channel by using painter's tape. Cover any area you do not want mud in. Then, using drywall tape, tape and mud over the channel wings. Allow it to set completely before sanding and remove the painter's tape. Finally, snap the lens into place.